metswalle. Re a le amohela mona inside the Baobab tree.
Dumelang metswalle.
Nna lebitso la ka ke Bonolo. Enwa ke Baobab. Ebile re na le motswalle wa rona ya moholo, Old Baobab.
Baobab.
Hantle haholo Baobab. Ha re dumediseng Old Baobab kaofela ha rona. Dumela Old Baobab. Jwale he, ke nako ya hore re tsokotse mmele ya rona.
Ke a tseba hore ke nako efe eo.
Ana le a tseba hore ke nako ya eng metswalle? Oh, nna wa tseba hore metswalle ya rona e reng?
E reng metswalle ya rona?
Ba re ke nako ya ho bina pina.
Tsa mohatla wa ka, ke nako ya ho bina.
Ha re bineng he metswalle.
Let's shout hello, Molo, Tobela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tobela, Abusheng. We say how's it and Eta, what's up and Sawubona. Shaking hands is our style. We greet with a friendly smile. Goeiemôre. Locha, Botani, rubbing shoulders with a pat on the back, high five with a mighty whack. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tobela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tobela, Abusheng. We say how's it and Eta. What's up and Sawubona. Shaking hands is our style. We greet with a friendly smile. Goeiemôre and Kunjani. Locha, Botani. Rubbing shoulders with a pat on the back. High five with a mighty whack. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tobela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tobela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello, Molo, Tobela, Abusheng.
Ke tshepa hore le ratile pina ya rona metswalle.
Yona ene e le monate haholo.
Baobab, bona ketsang. Ketsang.
Ke papadi.
Ke papadi efe o Baobab?
E kare o teka bolo.
O nepile Baobab. Ke teka bolo ka hloho jwalo ka batho ba bapalang bolo ya maoto.
Ke papadi e monate haholo eo.
Jwale, njwetse he hore ke etsang.
O sebedisa letsoho le le leng fela. Ebile e kare ho na le ntho eo o e tshwereng.
Jwale, o ka njwetsa hore ke etsang?
O ne o shebahala e kare o tla bolo ka rekete.
O nepile hape mokgotsi. Ke etsa jwalo ka batho ba bapalang tennis.
Le yona ke papadi e monate. Empa ha ke e rate jwalo ka bolo ya maoto.
Hobaneng Baobab?
Hobane o kgona ho bapala bolo ya maoto le bangata.
Oh, ke a bona jwale. Ke nnete moo.
Ke ka hoo ke ratang bolo ya maoto.
Nna ke rata dipapadi tse fapaneng.
Ke dife tseo?
Ke rata ho sesa ka hlabula. Ebile ke rata ho bapala morabaraba ha o bata ka ntle.
Empa ke eng morabaraba?
Morabaraba ke papadi eo ka kgonang ho e bapala kae kapa kae. Ha fela ho na le moo ka dulang teng.
E utlwahala e
Yona e monate haholo.
Ke a bona.
Papadi e ratuwang ke batho ba bangata e nngwe ke cricket.
Cricket, atjhe, yona e nka nako e telele pele e fela.
Eya, ke a tseba. E batla hore o behe letsatsi kaofela.
Eya.
Ha re utlweng ho motswalle ya rona hore nna bona ba rata dipapadi dife.
Ho lokile, ha re le ba mamela. Ke bapala bolo ka sekolong. Ke bapala kgati. Ke rata ho matha.
Re a leboha haholo metswalle. Utlwile baby Pep, metswalle ya rona e tseba dilo tse ngata.
Tsoko tsa mohatla wa ka.
Empa metswalle ya ka, ke nako ya hore re phomoleng hanyane fela.
Se keng le tsamaya letswalle.
Eya, re tla be re tshwere ntho tse ngata ha re hutla. Dulang hona moo.
Re tla e bona hona jwale.
Inside the Baobab tree. Inside the Baobab tree.
Oh, hello again, friends. Welcome back to Inside the Baobab Tree.
Hello again, friends.
What fun we're having today. So, what do you say we head on to the direction of the giraffe scope and see what it has for us today?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay, let's go. This is our friend, the giraffe scope.
Yippee! Giraffe scope!
We love the giraffe scope. When we look through the giraffe scope, we can see far, far away. We can look anywhere we want. The giraffe scope is very clever. Let's see. A group of kids are playing a fun game of football. They have different uniforms to know who belongs to which team. There's another group of kids. I wonder what sport they're playing. Oh, I see. They are playing rugby. A rugby ball is not round like a soccer ball. It's oval in shape. There are other kids playing another type of sport. This sport is called baseball. One child throws the ball and the other one hits it. It's very fun when we play sports together. That was some amazing view we saw today.
Yes, it was, Nono.
See, I told you the giraffe scope could see anything, anywhere, and that was great. Awesome. All done with the giraffe scope. Let's put it away and catch it another time.
Twist my tail.
Radio ya rona e se loketse ho bapala pina e monate. Nna le batla ho mamela.
Re batla.
Le se le lokile metswalle? Ho lokile, ha re bineng he. Go, go, silent experiment. Busy lady moving with the rhythm. Birds of a feather dancing together. We are friends forever. Come on, friends, do the shake. Do the Baobab, Baobab shake. Everyone, do the shake. Do the Baobab, Baobab shake. John can get rather busy. Too many steps can make him dizzy. Birds of a feather dancing together. We are friends forever. Come on, friends, do the shake. Do the Baobab, Baobab shake. Everyone, do the shake. Do the Baobab, Baobab shake. Baby Bab showing us the groove while singing and jumping and groove, baby groove. Birds of a feather dancing together. We are friends forever. Come on, friends, do shake. Do the Baobab shake. Everyone, do the shake. Do the Baobab shake. Do the shake.
Yippee! Essa tava monate!
Inside the Baobab tree. Inside the Baobab tree.
Welcome back to Inside the Baobab Tree, my active friends.
Woohoo! Hello!
Today, we have been doing jumping jacks, kicking balls, playing tennis, swimming.
Oh, we have? Oh, I don't remember doing that.
Well, we've been doing them in our minds. Well, at least I have.
Oh, is that called a mind sport?
That's a very good way of putting it, Baby Bab.
Twist my tail.
Well, let's see if we can put our mind and hands to work and make a fun sporty craft.
Let's. Oh.
Friends, are you ready to make and do? You are? All right then.
Yay!
This is our magic toolbox, Thuli, and inside it has everything we need to show you how you can make your very own tissue paper basketball. Let's wake Thuli up. Hello, Thuli. I'd like to make a tissue paper basketball. Please may I have all the tools and materials I'll need? Awesome. It sounds as if Thuli is ready. Let me reach inside. So, I'll need a bottle of water, a paper cup, some paint, paint brushes, colored tissue paper, glue, a plate, a marker, colored A3 paper, I can't feel anything else, Thuli. Is that all I need? Oh, great. Let's get making. Boink, boink.
Oh, Lolo, do we have everything?
Yes, we have everything, Baby Bab.
Oh, yippee!
Now I can show you how you can make your very own tissue paper basketball.
Oh, yeah!
Let's make it.
Oh, bouncy, bouncy, ba, 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 ba.
So, first what we need to do is we need to take a plate, some paper, and a marker.
Oh, yay!
Remember, friends, always ask for permission when you want to use a plate. So, we'll turn it around like that. Then, we'll trace around the plate like that.
Oh, blue plate! Yippee!
So we can make our ball.
Oh, yay!
Then what we need to do is draw a basketball pattern in the middle here.
Oh, yay!
So we take our marker, we draw the first line, which looks like a semicircle.
Oh,
Another line going down.
another line that looks like a semicircle.
Wow, Nolo.
Then we draw the last line that goes around like that. See?
Oh, yay! It looks like a ball.
Now we'll take some black paint, a cup, and you pour some water in the cup.
Oh, yay! For your paintbrush.
Yes, that's right, baby Bab.
Wow.
So we take a paintbrush. Let's give it a little wash first. Then we take a black paint and we'll paint over our lines. That.
Wow, Nolo.
See, now it looks nice and thick.
Yes.
Another one there.
Wow.
Then the other one. And the last one. Like that.
Oh, yay! I like it.
Then you give your paintbrush a clean and put it away. Close your paint so that it doesn't dry. Put it away. Now, the next thing we need to do is we need to take our tissue paper and stick it in there. Now, in order to do this, we need to take some glue, stick in between the lines there, more glue here,
Oh, sticky, Nolo, sticky.
and more in there, and all the way around. So you spread it out like that. And now comes the super fun part.
Oh, wow.
You take your tissue paper and you tear it out just a little bit. See?
Why, Nolo?
Well, you'll tear out little pieces like that you can stick all over the glue.
Oh, I see.
And you do the same with all the other parts.
Wow, that ball looks fluffy.
When you're done, leave it to dry and it will end up looking like this. See?
Oh, yeah, what a ball, Nolo. I love it.
And there you have it, friends, your very own tissue paper basketball.
Wow, twist my toe.
Now we can shoot some hoops. Metswalle, ke tshepa hore le thabetse ho bapala le rona tsatsing lena. Tsatsing lena, re ithutile ka ntho tse ngata tse thabisang haholo. Empa ke nako ya hore re sadise metswalle ya rona jwale. O se ka wa tshwenyeha, baby Pep, re tla bona metswalle ya rona tsatsing le leng hape. Ke a o tshepisa. Salang hantle. Letsatsing lena inside the Baobab tree, re ithutile ka dipapadi tse fapaneng. Re ile ra bina pina e monate le singing radio. Giraffe Scope e re bontshitse dipapadi tse fapaneng le hore di bapalwa jwang. Ebile re iketseditse a tissue paper basketball ka nako ya make and do. Ka nnete e ne e le letsatsi le monate. Re tjhakeleng hape mona inside the Baobab tree. Ho ne ho le monate ho ba le lona. Salang hantle metswalle.